Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking camera permission and Android version so permissions won't block you. Open the camera app now. Many phones detect QR automatically. Once done, position the QR code in the center of the viewfinder about 6 to 12 inches away and keep the phone steady. If a toolbar or mode is active, switch to photo mode. You should see a small card or banner appear. This is the scanner recognizing the code. Tap it to proceed. If the camera app does not pick up the code, make sure Scan QR codes is enabled in camera settings. Many devices hide that toggle. Next, try Google Lens from the camera or the Google app. Open Lens and point at the QR code, then tap the detected card. If the QR still fails, remove reflections, change angle slightly, and increase lighting. This helps the autofocus lock. You can also switch to a dedicated QR scanner app as a backup. Once the QR is recognized, tap the prompt to open the link or choose Copy to Clipboard if you want to paste it elsewhere. Make sure your default browser or target app has permission to open links. If links are blocked, change app defaults in settings. If scanning still fails, clear the camera app cache or force stop it, then reopen. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall a trusted QR app because a corrupted app can prevent detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.